La Bonta La Roulette. Welcome to Cajun Bullion's video. Hey everyone, this is Cajun Jim. Hope everyone's having a good one. Going into the shop and do a little work today. Let's see what we're gonna melt. I think we're gonna melt some silver today. It's been a while since I melted a little silver. 0.999 fine silver shots. Set it down right here. The furnace we're going to use is going to be this one today. We're going to use this one today. So all we need this, put our silver in. Let's see what else. Sorry I'm going too fast, might make y'all drunk, but let's see what kind of molds we're going to do, the graphite molds. I normally keep them upside down like that, just in case you get, I don't know, dust or trash or whatever, it'll be in the air. You know how it is over there in Cajun country. Let's see. No. Yeah, let's do this one. Let's do a pistol. Okay, everyone, I'm back. Just poured the silver in my little container, little jigger, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in. Put it in our little furnace. Turn this baby on and let it do her thing. Close the cover. As soon as she's finished, we'll start pouring. Let's go ahead and heat up the mold. Let's see how she came out. She looks pretty good. Nice details. Back of it. We're gonna go ahead and weigh her. See what she weighs. Now we're here at the scale. We'll go ahead and turn the scale on. Make sure she's on troy ounces, which she is on troy ounces. Put our 0.999 fine silver little pistol on. She weighs 2.59 troy ounces. 0.999 fine silver. So now our next step, we're gonna go ahead and stamp her. And then we're gonna go ahead and polish her up and see how she's gonna come out to the finished product. Okay, I'm at my stamping area. And I have that tape on there because that way when I stamp it, I can follow the tape. You know, at least it'll be a little straight and not too crooked. So let's go ahead and stamp her up and I'll show you after the stamp. There you go. 2.59 troy ounces with my little crawfish stamp on it. Now our next step, we're gonna go ahead and darken in on all the stamp parts. That way it can show after everything's all nice and shined up. Okay, I'm in my area. where I normally put the dye that we use. It's actually liver of sulfur, XL gel, real good stuff, but it does smell the rotten egg when you put it in water and mix it around a little bit. So you don't want to use much of it. I got some water right here. Put a couple of drops. Mix it up until it turns yellow. You want to grab pistol, silver pistol. You just want to put a little heat. Put a little heat on it. Put it down. Let me get this noise off. Take your solution and dab on there. There you go. That's all you do. Next step is to go ahead and polish it. Then you're going to see all the fine little lines. It's going to be all in black. That's our step next. Let's go ahead and shine her up. I got my polish already, and let's go get it done. Now that she's all done, you can see all the black lines in it. So we're going to go to our next step in the shining process. Let's go ahead and do it. My next step that I do, after I finish hand shining it, I normally put it in my tumbler, and I use the Shine Bright, which is some awesome stuff. It's 2 ounces per gallon. Let's go ahead and put the beads in. Put your solution to the top of your beads. Blow over. Stick whatever you want to shine in there. Grab your cap. Make sure she seals good. No, you ain't got a mess. Grab it, bring it over here to your tumbler, put it into your tumbler, press the button, and let that baby tumble. And I normally let it tumble for about 20 minutes. After that, I'll turn it over. I find that's enough. So let it go ahead and tumble for 20 minutes, and I'll come back and show you what it does. 20 minutes has passed by now. Let's go ahead and open up the container and see what our bore looks like. Or should I say what our pistol looks like. I know I shouldn't be doing this with the rubber gasket, but I ain't got no fingernails. As you can see, it's full of that shining stuff. I normally just pass my hands in it, bring it out, wash all the soap off of it. Take me a nice soft paper towel, get all the solution off of it, and there she is. Nice and shiny. .59 troy ounces. My little Cajun sticker, crawfish. Thanks for watching. Very much appreciated. Until the next video. Bye.